Umentri Katnat Penraisor upasnyo bhalang dhar la ong baki project ki bahapok ka jingtray smart city kidang yat chakmat bat ka bailot bicep jong ka project ka poi haduh news pa klur. Marlai spa san pau klur ka bawan na ka sorkar pdeng bat sorkar jylla. Hakabi krench kilat patai ko bor menta ka si ka santari uleber la ong bakatanat urban affairs kadang yele benwat pisa na ka sorkar pdeng. Habakli haduh kanu ka pisa kadang wan umpala ban ai jingken ula ong ba la dep yo kumba shispa sau po klur na ka sorkar pdeng bat san pu sau klur na ka sorkar jylla.
All the project under smart cities, all the work is under progress in full swing as of today. It is different from project to project. There is suppose like Mukra and like Mukra market and Poro market and river cleaning, school street and some new projects only recently allotted. But now the thing is that all the project has been allotted, so hopefully it will be in short time, maybe in 1 year, 1 year and a half, it will be completed all the project. Smart city, and the traffic condition is need to be together with all like the other department like the Ludi roads, like the home departments, like the urban department. Traffic congestion is a continuous process that we are working on this. That's why, you know very well, recently government has proposed to shift all the government office to the new township area. This is one of the reasons we want to ease the condition in the city. Maybe that is the only way which is appropriate for the government to take step, because if we are taking to widen the road within the city, maybe it's a tough job for the government. Maybe the land acquisition is more than the cost of project also. So therefore we are planning to shift some government offices to the new Shillong area, so that maybe some area we can widen the road and the public office will be shift outside the city. So at least maybe I think that is the best solution for this condition in Shillong city. 700 crore, 350 from the state, 350 from the central government, and now we are seeking additional fund from the central government also.
What will be the additional fund?
No, it will be there because
The proposed additional fund.
Proposed additional fund is to increase whatever amount, because it's additional. If they give more, we are happy. But it's our duty as a state government to seek more fund from the central government.
As of now, out of 350 crores, how much state government has received from the central government?
From the central government is already 140 crore plus minus. I'm not exact figures not with me from the central government. And from the state is 50 crore, 54, 5 crore something. And when the progress is over, again we'll submit you see for the next installment.